we are, sports fans. Once again, fishing kayak adventures. A little twist this time with a sail. We got the whole 9 yards. GoPro set up. We got the fish finder, sail, fishing poles. I have a remote mic so the wind doesn't howl and turn the microphone with a GoPro. A little audio radio here. Get my radio voice going. And we're going to head over by Key Haven Estates, past the community college there, and see if we can pick up some mangrove snapper. And then we will around 6 o'clock or so start heading back and rendezvous with Kim, who's coming out on her kayak to see the sunset. Not too shabby. Later. Right over here. See if we can pick them up. So that's a shark. And, ooh, hit bottom. Must be low tide. I'm going to paddle out here. Oh yeah, a baby shark right there. Anybody see him? Okay. Stingray just hauled ass out of here in 2 feet of water. So already we've seen one shark, about a 2.5 footer, and a stingray diameter of about 2 feet. Jet skiers. We are now in 3.5 feet of water. Not much risk of drowning out here. And we are entering the channel to Key Haven Estates. Shallow water again. Bottoming out in here. Of course, the first time we used to sail this year, there's virtually no wind. Try a different approach here. Just cast it right over the side here, close to the edge. Right there. Come on, mangrove snapper. Come on out of there. You come on out of there now. Come on. You know you won't. Just make it a big one now. Fish. Oh, there you go. We're going to throw him back too. Well, there's somebody over there. I wonder who that could be. Who's this Cuban refugee coming in here? Don't crash into me. Say hi to the camera. We're gonna go see the sunset. I'm sailing around in circles. pretty cool. Waiting for the sunset. Out here, it's in the deep water, not the shallow. Whoa, we're doing the duck. I'm not using the paddle, I'm using my sail. Here comes another big boat. All right, let's see where that sun's at now. Another boat. Yeah, I see him. Wave. Or not. Oh, shallow. We're not heading back yet, or I'm not. Yeah, I'm gonna go out in the channel to do it. Going 4 miles an hour. Okay, start heading in. Let's go in.